Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add or embed codes in your pages in a plain project management application. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your page and start a new line to enter your command. And there are two ways how you can embed codes. Option number one, you simply use that feature in the top right corner amongst these text editing tools and select code. And after that, you will see the text field here. So start entering your code no matter or depending on which coding language you use, like JavaScript or I don't know. I'm not an expert in coding, so I'm not going to give you any example here, guys. So simply enter your command, your code here, and you may, for example, also highlight it. And after that, for instance, you may, for instance, copy it here to the right. And yeah, that will allow you to copy your embedded code and use it for your, I don't know, website or applications and so on and so forth. So that's option number one. Option number two, you simply skip to the next line, press slash, and after that, enter the command embed, or even better, code, just like that, and select this option here. And that is going to open that field here again. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.